cloud to spoil the view, but it's rain.